Okay, we are here in the office. We're testing a battery that had previously failed because we want to show something here. It's a 110 amp hour battery. We already got the temperature off of it. Adjusting temperature. And we're going to show you the results, and then we're going to try something after that. Because we ran into this phenomenon that we can't explain. It's better to show you. Get this straight. Okay, so that is 80% on the first test. Okay, let's turn it off. Now we're going to test it again without changing anything. So that one technically should have passed the test. Of course, you have to test two batteries, and if one fails, it's quite possible the other one failed, and this one tested at 80. Still, we're going to keep testing this. So it's going to be probably a 10-minute long video. Yeah, we'll make a second video of the other battery. We'll test that one as well. 90% on the second test without touching anything, without adjusting the cables. We just turned it off and turned it on. We're going to do this again. 90% is pretty doggone good. So we're going to test it a third time. Why not? Let's just keep going.
So you can get to 100.
You know, in my experience when I do load tests with other types of load testers, after you hit the initial load test, it drops in value in the percentage. But this tester has an algorithm, as you can tell by the voltage jumping up and down, where it, I guess it pulses the resistance, and then it uses some sort of algorithm based on the temperature, the resistance it's reading. Not 100% sure. But the one phenomena we're finding is, without touching battery connectors, is that you keep testing it and the percentage doesn't go down, it goes up for some reason. So we're turning it off. We're going to test it one more time, see if we can get maybe 95%, because this is pretty much mimicking the last test we did. Now, granted, we always make sure our connections are good. The suggestion was made that we make new connections, which is, you know, a good thing. Always make sure you have good connections. But I think our point here is that you don't have to remake the connections. You just have to keep testing it, and things will get better.
Okay. Yeah.
So we're going to do our fourth test here, and we're going to see how that turns up. Once again, take note, these percentages aren't dropping with each test. They're staying steady at 90%. That's the fourth test. So that's battery 1. We're going to come back with battery 2 next.